This is my solar lawnmower, homegrown solar lawnmower. I'm gonna mow these weeds here by my pickle patch. That's a 24-volt lawnmower. I lost a charger for it years back, but hey, a couple of 12-volt chargers, and they see the sun, do some mowing, and go do it again. This from last year, my pickle vines that I've made the jars of pickles from, and I'm not mowing the edges here because I want my pickle seeds to be coming up mostly. Wild Pickles, Pepino De Monte, pickles of the brush. Plenty of seeds in there should be sprouting from the rain we got, and the things they don't want to go up the fence, you gotta coax them to. But anyway, I pick a whole lot of pickles over here. Homegrown wild pickles. So Mr. Buddy Homegrown letting y'all know that all you gotta do is just keep growing, keep cooking, keep singing. You can't go wrong with them trees, it's just simple math.